Small bumps on your forehead or on your cheek or any part of your face are sometimes so stubborn that it becomes really difficult to get rid of them. Even if they don't hurt you, they can make you concerned about your appearance. There are many causes of such bumps like clogged pores, excess oil, poor skincare regimen, environmental and climatic conditions, and many more. Here are some easy and effective ways to get rid of them. Rubbing papaya not only helps clear your skin, but also adds glow to your skin and reduces dark spots to great extent. Just take a small slice of papaya and spread Fuller's Earth powder on it. Then gently rub it all over your face. Massage it for about 15 minutes in a circular motion to improve blood circulation on your face. After that, wash off with water. You can do this daily. Papaya treats acne, pimples, and prevent future breakout as well. It helps clear blemishes and pigmentation. It also helps to remove wrinkles, age spots, and keeps your skin hydrated. Fuller's Earth removes excess oil from the oily skin, and it also unclogs skin pores and balances the natural pH level of the skin. Rubbing Icescape is literally good for small bumps, acne, and pimples. Ice reduces redness, swelling, and inflammation. It also reduces the size of the breakout. Just take one potato, peel the skin, and cut them into small cubes. After that, put them in a mixer jar, add some water, and blend them to make a juice. Then add about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and mix it well. Now pour this mixture in an ice cube tray and freeze it for about a couple of hours. Once they are frozen, remove the tray and the ice cubes are ready to use. Take one ice cube and gently rub it all over your face. Once ice has melted, pat skin dry and apply a good moisturizer on your skin. Alternatively, you can also use green tea ice cubes as it contains antioxidants that protect against the free radical that causes acne and it helps heal breakouts. Ice keeps pores small so they are less likely to get clogged. It washes away dirt, dead skin cells and other impurities that clog pores. Ice makes the surface of the skin smooth and firm. Dandruff could also be one of the reasons you are getting bumps and pimples on your forehead and face. Here is one of the best and easy home remedy to remove dandruff and keep your scalp healthy and clean. Take 2 teaspoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and about 1 teaspoon of melted coconut oil. Mix all the ingredients together. Now apply this paste all over your scalp with help of a clean cotton ball. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and then wash it off with regular shampoo. Dandruff can irritate the skin on your forehead and result in clogged pores and acne. Hence, to get rid of bumps on your forehead, it is very important to keep your hair and scalp clean. These were some of the easy home remedies and tricks to get rid of bumps of your face. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.